Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 MG ZS Supersport, a vehicle that's been making waves in the automotive world. From its sleek design to its innovative hybrid powertrain, the ZS Supersport promises a blend of performance, efficiency, and style. Let's explore what makes this car stand out in the crowded SUV market. Design and exterior. The 2025 MG ZS Supersport showcases a modern and dynamic design, reflecting MG's commitment to blending British heritage with contemporary aesthetics. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving the car a distinctive and aggressive look. The sculpted lines along the sides not only enhance its aerodynamic profile but also add a sense of movement, even when stationary. The rear is equally impressive, with sleek taillights and a subtle spoiler that adds to its sporty demeanor. Dimensions and size. In terms of size, the MG ZS Supersport positions itself comfortably within the subcompact crossover SUV segment. It offers ample interior space without compromising on exterior agility, making it suitable for both urban environments and longer journeys. While exact dimensions can vary based on specific configurations, the ZS typically provides generous headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride for all occupants. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside the ZS Supersport, you're greeted with a cabin that exudes quality and sophistication. High-quality materials adorn the dashboard and seats, providing a premium feel. The layout is driver-centric, with controls intuitively placed for ease of use. Ambient lighting enhances the driving experience, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere during nighttime drives. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent support, which is essential for both daily commutes and longer trips. Infotainment and connectivity. MG has equipped the ZS Supersport with a state-of-the-art infotainment system. A large touchscreen interface serves as the hub for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless integration of smartphones for music streaming, calls, and messaging. Additionally, multiple USB ports and wireless charging ensure that all devices remain powered throughout the journey. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 MG ZS Supersport boasts a sophisticated hybrid powertrain. It combines a 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering a total system output of approximately 196 horsepower. This setup ensures brisk acceleration and responsive handling, making it a joy to drive in various conditions. The transition between electric and petrol power is seamless, providing a smooth and quiet ride. The hybrid system also allows for short distances to be covered on electric power alone, particularly useful in stop-and-go traffic. Transmission and drivetrain. The ZS Supersport features a unique 3-speed automatic transmission, optimized for hybrid performance. This transmission setup ensures that the engine operates within its most efficient range, contributing to better fuel economy and reduced emissions. Front-wheel drive is standard, providing a balanced mix of handling and efficiency. The steering is precise, and the suspension is tuned to offer a comfortable yet engaging driving experience. Fuel efficiency. One of the standout features of the MG ZS Supersport is its impressive fuel efficiency. Thanks to the hybrid system, drivers can expect fuel consumption figures around 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers, translating to approximately 50 miles per gallon. This efficiency not only reduces running costs but also minimizes the environmental footprint, aligning with the growing emphasis on sustainable mobility. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for MG, and the ZS Supersport is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work in unison to provide a safer driving experience. helping to prevent accidents and mitigate the severity of collisions. The vehicle also boasts a robust airbag system and has undergone rigorous crash testing to ensure occupant protection. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the MG ZS Supersport offers a balanced driving experience. The hybrid powertrain provides ample torque, especially at lower speeds, resulting in swift acceleration from standstill. The chassis is well tuned, offering a comfortable ride over uneven surfaces while maintaining composure during spirited driving. The regenerative braking system not only aids in energy recovery but also provides a reassuring braking feel. Market positioning and competitors. The 2025 MG ZS Supersport enters a competitive segment, facing rivals like the Nissan Juke, Renault Captur, and Kia Seltos. However, with its hybrid technology, attractive pricing, and comprehensive feature set, the ZS Supersport positions itself as a compelling alternative. Its blend of performance, efficiency, and style offers a unique proposition for buyers seeking value without compromising on modern amenities. Pricing and availability. MG has strategically priced the ZS Supersport to appeal to a broad audience. While prices can vary based on markets and optional features, the base model starts at a competitive point, offering excellent value for money. Higher trims with additional features are also available for those seeking a more luxurious experience. The vehicle is set to be available in multiple markets, with specific launch dates varying by region. Conclusion. The 2025 MG ZS Supersport exemplifies MG's dedication to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. It brings together a harmonious blend of design, technology, and performance, catering to the needs of modern drivers. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a weekend getaway, the ZS Supersport is designed to deliver a rewarding driving experience. As MG continues to evolve and adapt to the changing automotive landscape, the ZS Supersport stands as a testament to the brand's vision for the future. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 MG ZS Supersport. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into the latest automotive trends. Drive safe and see you next time. The 2025 MG ZS Supersport's rear design is both stylish and functional, emphasizing its sporty character. The sleek LED taillights extend horizontally, giving the SUV a wider stance and a modern, aggressive look. The integrated rear spoiler not only enhances aerodynamics but also adds a dynamic touch to the vehicle's overall aesthetics. The sculpted tailgate features a bold MG emblem at the center, surrounded by clean lines that give it a refined yet powerful appearance. A subtle rear diffuser